Alright guys, today we're working on a 2006 Harley-Davidson Road King Custom. We're going to be replacing the rear view mirrors. So on the left side of the bike, you can see we've got a floppy mirror. Doesn't work very well when you're trying to drive down the road and the mirror is sagging and moving all over the place. So we're going to replace those. I got some aftermarket mirrors off of Amazon. They've got similar kind of teardrop mirror surface. They've got a different base, which I actually kind of like the look of better. So should be a pretty simple job. We're going to swap them out, and I'm going to show you guys what tools you need and how to do it. First thing you're going to need on the stock mirrors is a 1/2 inch open-ended wrench or box end, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use the open end on mine. 1/2 inch wrench. And you're going to remove the nuts here on the bottom of your factory mirror. A little tighter than I expected them to be, but they have been on there for about 12 years. So on this bike, the turn signals are attached here as well. You're going to have your nut and a little lock washer as well. Sit those off to the side, stick them in your pocket, and pull your mirror out. That's all there is to it. You can see it has a smooth shaft here where it goes through the master cylinder assembly and then threaded on the end. So this is our right side mirror. Take off the left side mirror now. Let your turn signal dangle, and let it pump into your tank, scratch your tank. And here again is our broken mirror. It's got no rigidity left to it. These are the original factory Harley-Davidson mirrors for this bike. The new mirrors, going to install the same way. You've got your nut for the bottom, washer and a lock nut, little chrome cap, and this adapter if you need it. I'm not sure yet if we're going to need it, and another washer. So this is going to be our right side mirror. So we do not need the adapter. Slide that in like so. And we're going to use Put our turn signal back on. And your regular washer. Then your lock washer. And then, last but not least, the acorn nut here at the bottom, which holds it all together. These mirrors use a 9/16 instead of a 1/2 inch. Kind of pick the angle of adjustment. You can always change that later. Right now we just want to snug them up. Adjust your mirror out. There's our left side done. I really like the style of these arms better than the original mirrors. Just my personal opinion. Again, mirror in, washer, turn signal, the other washer, lock nut, and your acorn style nut to secure it. Snug it up just a bit. Move your mirror out from shipping. And that's all there is to it. I've got brand new rear view mirrors. You can make your adjustments as necessary. Obviously these are manual adjust mirrors, but very simple to do. Does not take a lot of time at all. Here you can kind of see the hardware that's used on the bike. Makes the bike look 10 times better already. Super happy with that. So there you go, guys. I know this was simple, not a very detailed video, but really all you need is a 1/2 inch wrench for the old mirrors, 9/16 wrench on these new mirrors, on the particular ones that I bought, and you know, 5 minutes of your time and you're good to go. So hope this helps you guys out. Ride safe and happy modding. Thanks, guys.